Taking a live look now over Gastonia back here on Earth as we take a gaze right here. Andrew, not the picture perfect weather that we had yesterday when people were out by the pool, nobody going in the water, but still going to be a nice day, right?
Still going to be a nice day. And speaking of space, Julian, you look out of this world here on our Thursday.
You flatter me, Andrew. You always do.
You get lots of places with flattery in this life, Julian. Anyway, 69 degrees, stepping out the door, a little bit more cloud cover compared to yesterday. Calm conditions, low dew points around the 40-degree mark or so. It really is a nice day out there. You just don't need quite as much sunscreen as what we were dealing with yesterday. Up in Boone, King Street looking good as well. Temperatures very much on the warm side here across the Carolinas, even with this cloud cover moving on in. Zooming out a little bit here again, some cloud cover, especially in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, part of an old frontal boundary and area of low pressure to our west, but it continues to weaken, and it's not going to be having much of any impact on our weather besides the cloud cover that we are seeing. Clouds and radars, we look a little bit farther off to our west here. We are watching a powerful cold front area of low pressure. This is the beginnings of what we're going to be dealing with once we get to the weekend here. Starting later on tomorrow, we see this storm system starting to move into portions of the deep south around Memphis, Nashville, northwest Mississippi, Little Rock, Arkansas. This is the first place we're going to be concerned about potential severe weather, and then it's going to be pushing eastward, eventually making its way towards the Carolinas. Let's get into it here with Futurecast. 3 o'clock this afternoon, looking good. Isolated chance of a shower up in the mountains. I'm really not buying that at this time, though. As we head through the evening and overnight hours into your Friday, we'll see a little bit more cloud cover as we head into your Friday. Again, still expecting another warm day here across the Carolinas. There is a chance of a stray shower here. Not going to be a washout, anything like that, but a couple of pop-up showers. This is 6 o'clock on your Friday evening are possible. Still more warm temperatures. Temperatures likely pushing back up into the low to mid 60s across the Carolinas. Now, as we head through the overnight hours into your Saturday, more cloud cover again across the region. Though I want to zoom out here and start to turn our attention off to the west, because this is where we're going to start to see the first true outbreak of severe weather with this storm system. Going to be watching places like Alabama, Georgia. Eventually a line will consolidate and start to push its way into the Carolinas. A really concerning situation setting up off to our west, but for us here in the Carolinas, all about Sunday morning between about 3 a.m. and noon is what we're going to be watching very closely. Temperatures still very much on the warm side. Severe weather risk once we get to Saturday, it's all focused off to our west. Birmingham, they already have a day 3 moderate risk, a tier 4 out of 5. Really concerning for potential damaging tornadoes off to our west, extending northward and eastward towards places like Atlanta and Nashville. We have to wait until Sunday morning, and that's when the focus is going to turn to here across the Carolinas. Already have a slight risk, a tier 2 out of 5. Expecting at least that. Might see an enhanced risk, which is the tier 3 out of 5 as we go through your Sunday, as this storm system is going to approach and move through. The biggest concern is strong and damaging winds. It's going to be one of those squall lines moving through. Still concerned, though, possible tornadoes as well as hail. But overall, the good news is the atmospheric conditions won't be as conducive for tornadic activity here across the Carolinas versus portions of Alabama as well as Georgia. As we head through the evening hours, partly cloudy skies, temperatures again staying on the mild side across the Carolinas, back into the 70s again tomorrow. Your pinpoint 7-day forecast, it is a pinpoint weather alert day on your Sunday for the potential severe weather. Once it moves out, though, St. Patrick's Day looking good, Julian, and from there, more 70s ahead.
Okay, so a nice stretch after we get through that kind of rocky weather. Andrew, thank you.